Pakainin mo nga ng bola siya. Pangit ka. Ito, sinisilo pa yung paadil eh. Bro. Shot. Kupal. Nice double. Nice double. Ultra? Yeah.
I love Pegasus also.
Ah,
Yeah.
nung nawala kayo, dami ko nang dinaan ng paddle, nung huling paddle ko nung nandito
talaga?
kayo. Nung nandito kayo, wala may paddle. Di ka air?
I don't know. I don't even remember.
Ay,
Hindi ba Jade? Actually, I don't know.
no.
So which ones have you tried?
Nagkaroon na ako ng Aura.
Oh,
No,
you
look
tried,
pa!
no, Friday.
Yeah, nag-Aura
Is it
Pro.
nice na?
Yeah, if walang, kasi ang naging issue ko dun, nag-disband yung foam niya. When you press it, parang the face and the foam mismo, natatanggal na yung adhesive. Because when pinipindot ko, you hear the stick.
Cheap. So it's like cheaply made.
Yeah, ganun nga dun eh. So, humingi ako ng
Ano
ano,
ba siya? Yung, magkano yung Aura?
9.6. Friday Aura Pro.
Din.
9.6. So,
Ah.
hindi, dun sa binilang ko, they offered they change, may under warranty. So, new paddle.
Kasi ano yun, binibenta mo lang, tapos may bibili ka ulit.
Hindi, ang nangyari kasi doon, 'di ba? Friday Aura Pro ko, pinapalitan ko. They gave me a new one. Nakakuha ko pa lang, kakalagay ko lang ng overgrip ng bago.
Oh.
When I shook it, may tunog na sa loob.
So, you returned it? You
So, I
said,
returned it.
it's not-
Sabi niya, although yung specific issue na yon is not under warranty, brand new yun eh, tapos ganun na agad. So, pumayag sila.
Baka manufacture ano yun?
Yeah.
Or baka hindi naman specifically.
Yeah. So, ang ginawa nung ng store, they offered me pick another paddle if you want.
Which is, you prefer.
No.
Hindi pa.
Pinili
Bago
ko,
lang yan yung Utre kakalaga.
Oo
Kasi I bought 9 May. Lumabas yan June.
Yeah.
Utre.
when I got it, ang choices were Gherkin Draco, Eula, as kung ano man. Then I saw na they had a 11624.
Hindi mo bet Yola no?
Hindi yun, 11624. I wanted the Vapor one.
Oh, yeah.
Pero ang meron lang sila, Horace X. Edi I got it.
Oo. Hindi mo bet?
Kakabenta ko lang kanina.
Oh,
I shipped it to Cebu.
wait lang. So why did you choose Ultra over ano? What didn't you like about Horace?
Sweet spot. So small. Yan, that's all sweet spot.
Kasi yan, it's the mix. Hybrid siya ng Vapor and
Yeah.
Horace, right?
Yeah.
Gitna siya.
Yeah.
That's why I like Pegasus. Sobrang laki ng sweet spot
Yeah,
nun kasi
because it's wide body. Yeah.
But I love it. Like, I love that panel. I was like, shit.
Try mo yung ano ni Ate Erica, yung Pegasus. Wide body. Weh. Try mo. Cheers.
It's so long.
Pero the weight, magaan. Sarap! Ayun lang.
Malaki sweet spot niya.
Pangit.
Ang ano yung sigaw? Hindi, si Tita Chiki yun.
Tulad ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, si Michael Jackson.
Sigaw ni Tita Chiki yun. Grabe, sobrang ang laki niya. Like, parang sa kamay ko mag-sweet.
The Horacio was bigger kasi the long...
Totoo ba? Mas malaki pa yung Horacio niya?
Same size halos. Longer handle. It's like a 5.9, 5.7. That's a 5.5 eh. Yeah. Have you seen this?
Is it new? I know Jack. D2.
Yeah.
Honolulu, right?
Yeah, D2C are blue
Yeah, but
grit.
this is a new one because it's super glittery.
Yeah, it's a blue grit. Ah!
Oh, I don't know.
Hold it. It's the same as parang ganitong grit.
Kaya ko gusto ko, di ba ito yung like, the most long-lasting grit
Yeah.
in the market right now.
Yeah. It's this one, then yung Coral Pro.
Ay, yung bago.
Yeah, yung Pro na.
Nice.
Kaya
Instant spin siya.
Yeah.
But you chose purple. You wanted purple.
Kung anong meron lang. Kung anong meron.
Kasi natataib. There's a blue one, purple one, and white one.
Yes.
Itong colorway ito.
You got the limited edition
Yeah,
one.
I got the limited edition one.
Sayang, there's another one.
I don't like. I prefer a peach.
Yung
The
red?
next one is strawberry. Yeah, I prefer
Yeah.
because I want the combination of pink and orange. So the name of my paddle is orange. Because I like it. So my grip, that's why I have grip pink. Kasi it's so cute. Instead of ganyan, peach siya. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Saka instead of this, peach siya.
Yeah.
It's cute.
How much did you get it? How much did you get it?
I bought it in the States. So,
how-
normal price. Pero parang 100. Di ba 199
Yeah.
siya? Pero may parang discount code. So, pero there's tax. So, 200. 200. Lumabas 202. Ganyan.
202.
Taxes and everything.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Kasi,
So, I went to the States, di ba? So, piniship ko din.
ang yan kasi, yung regular nila na series na kulay, it's 205. Then,
This one.
yeah.
Dito 199.
No, that's 200.
Sa website, ha?
Yeah, the website. 205. How much is yours?
So, 199. Without tax. So, umapak siya ng 202 with the tax. But I got a discount code na 10%. So, kaya 202 lang siya.
Ah, okay. This is 205 without the code. If it's with the code, it's 195.
So, mas mahal nga ito ng onte lang. Like, mas mahal lang ito ng $6.
No, mas mahal yung sayo.
199 yung sa akin eh, nang walang tax na. That's the price without the tax.
Mine is 195.
Without the tax?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Plus with the code na.
Bakit mas mahal sa akin?
Because that's limited edition.
No, it's the same price as the hindi limited
No
edition.
way.
Yeah.
What?
Yes, I checked. Yeah. It's the same. Yung mga limited edition nila, they don't up the price. It's just limited time. Parang limited quantity.
Ah, doon. So, sobrang sama ng ugali ng mga tao dito. May patong yan. May patong yung ibang...
Lahat talaga meron. Kasi, kunwari, binili nila yan, tapos pinaship nila here. Ang mahal ng
Iba pa yung price ng regular sa limited edition. Dito. That's
Well, it's
yung
hard.
akin.
Well, it's hard to get it kasi that's business, no? Kasi it's only limited quantity. Alam ko, 100 lang ginawa na lang ganyan. 100 pieces. So, wala. It's
100, ba't ang daming
100 each
shape?
shape.
Ba't parang ang dami
Mabilis
lang
nag sold out
binibenta?
yung vapor. Pero ako naman, I wanted the best. Ah, nandyan. Sino nanalo? Hindi ko alam. Can you ask?
Palong-palo! Palong-palo!
Yan.
t-shirt mo yan.
Oh. Let's gawin mo na lang kay Boogie. Ayan. Kaya ito. wallet?
That's him.
Ah, ito yung bago pala niya.
Yeah.
Oh, yan. Pogi, partner daw ba ito? Joke lang.
Ready ka na ba?
Shit!
Nanalo na ako ng isa.
Ay!
Sama nanay mo.
Ayun na. Yung, nanalo ka nung nang smash sa mukha. Ano?
Oo.
Parang dapat natakot pa ako dun ah. Yung sigaw! Alam na bang balam? Di mo kasi pa. Yael, hindi mo kasi tinignan eh. Yeli ah. Uy, tayo nga talaga.
Ayaw nga. Ready ka na ba? Buhatin mo ako ah.
Uy! From when?
Retard.